Where do I put that? Guess I could move you here and you there. Voila. I need a keyboard. Oh, I didn't add this keyboard. Let's do this. Okay, and now I need the mouse. No? Okay. Do you see the mouse? You see the mouse. Excellent. So now I have a mouse. And I have a keyboard. Yeah! Okay. Let's do this. Let's bring you here. Great. Cool. Yeah, this drop. Okay, cool. Yay! An unoriginal. Oh, I did drop. Oh yeah, I did type it. Oh, nope, I'm not tired. No, 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 no. It's just an idea. Okay, I want to show. I want to work on this. Yeah, I want to work on this today. Wait, what? What? No, I want you. Okay. This is weird. Okay, let's restart to see if it works better. I'm having trouble. Like my screens are not working properly. Why it's not working? My drop command is not working. Okay, so now, so let's. Yeah, it should work. Not sure why it's not working. Unoriginal, no, undefined process just landed. Yay. Okay, let's try again. Ah, now I see. Ah, okay, cool. So now I see it. Great. So if I go 1, cool. So now I will open a browser. Great. Yeah, why not? Let's restore it. This, go here. Ah, yay. Okay, so now we can, now we talk. Now we, I was like, no, please, make it work. Woo. And my button doesn't work. I need to type today. I need to type. Okay, so yeah, so today we'll be working on, nope, not this window, I want to zoom, it's this window. We'll be working on NoteBookmark. And I can remove this. I can go bigger. Voila. There's a lot of clouds. It's true that the team is heavy on cloud, but it's good. It's good. So yeah, so we'll be working on that today. So if we go in another window and we open a Git Kraken to make sure we have the latest version in Visual Studio. In fact, this guy could go here and NoteBookmark, local, main. Are we on main? I think we are working on this one. So if we, why there's no music? We lost our music. So now we can open it. And we'll send this guy to here. Oh, to, yeah. You, sir, I want you there. So this is code, web. Yep, that makes sense. Code. Okay, let's try that. Oh yeah. I don't have my favorite theme. Let's change that. It's so quiet. Go to the next song if that one is too quiet. Oh, did I push a button? Yeah, I push a button. It was me. Okay, there's an update. We'll do that later. So first, let's try to compile this guy. Yeah, so we can compile here, .NET. I was having trouble, so as much as I like Omarchi, it's not great with .NET if you're not running the latest version and you have tools, .NET tools. It does, it's use mise, I don't know, it's mise en place, and it does something funky. And I had to reinstall everything because the laptop crashed and I couldn't make it run again, so it was just easier to install everything. Omarchi installs so fast that it was very quick, and I have scripts now to install on my app. But yeah, there's something not fun. So it looked like it's compiling now. So what I did, instead of using the method, so usually on Omarchi you go here and you go install, and then you go dev, and then you pick .NET. If you do that, it uses like a very specific tool, and it's not working great because it's install the .NET repo in a very specific. So if I open a terminal, if I do this, right? So right now, that's more classic, where I have like the SDK is here, and they're there, the runtime are there, like the .NET root is here. If you're using the command part of Omarchi, it runs very good, but Mise is great to isolate stuff. So it create a bunch of stuff like for specific, for the .NET pure.
Hi.
Hey GT, hello, MechNet, hello. And when you try to use the tools, so Aspire or like Outdated, those are the tools I use frequently, it doesn't work well. So I uninstall everything, and then I use the Yay, the package manager for Arc, and it worked great. That said, .NET 10 is not yet available in there. So that's why I'm still in .NET 9 for this project. Well, I say that, I didn't check today. So we could go install, and then if I say, I think I need to go here. Now if I do .NET SDK, if I just do .NET, I think it's .NET, oh, SDK bin. Yeah, see, that's .NET 9. Can I go? Oh, 10 is here. 10 is here. Oh. cool. I don't want to install it just in case it doesn't work. Let's try to work a little bit first. Oh, is it Friday already? I wish. No, I don't wish. I had a lot of fun. I work on a cool project. Oh, did I install it here? Yeah, I didn't install it yet. Yeah, let's go here and I want to show you something. So I work on a little project just for fun. Like I'm working on different stuff, obviously. But I work on, not that, the repository, terminal tools. I work on the tools where you just go exclamation point, interrogation point, and you ask your questions, and then you're just asking AI, and it will reply in the terminal. You don't have to do anything. It does that. And if you do like the question mark, then it will go search the web. So that's what I was working on. That's cool, right? I tweeted about it earlier today, but that's true. I need to sign in. Let me go. Can I go here in secret? Cool. One sec. So what was your project about? The .NET Aspire to Azure this morning. So you didn't have any Cloudflare problem. That's great. Yesterday, huh? It wasn't easy. The Cloudflare stuff. Okay, so I can close this guy now. And I want to show my little video. Okay. So that's on my Mac. I recorded my screen on Mac. You could just open a terminal, ask your question. So interrogation point, what is 2 Celsius and in Fahrenheit? Oh, let's go. In Fahrenheit, and then enter, and then AI reply. So okay, it's 28 Fahrenheit. That's cool. And then the next one is interrogation point, and I had like a lot of fun having that little spinner stuff. So you just ask something that is not fixed in time. So I'm asking the last match hockey game, what were the score, and AI will go search online and come back with the result. And obviously I speed up the stuff just to make a short video. So I shared that, but I didn't have a lot of feedback, so maybe it's boring. I don't know. I thought it was cool. Is it cool or is it boring, chat? And GT, what was your app about? You know what? I shouldn't install it. Well, I will install it later. So let's see. Can I run this thing? If I do F5, will it work? Because I will have to check up. Maybe I need to install the key. It will load, but I think I don't have the key yet. Let's see if it downloads the images. Just basic default Blazor template that also pulls some data from another. Okay, cool. Everything. Did you use the CLI, or like how did you deploy it? Was it AZD or did you use Aspire, the new CLI? What did you use? Aspire deploy? Cool. I think in the back, I think it's using the same as AZD, right? I don't know. Aspire deploy? No, like Aspire wasn't, the CLI wasn't, I think it was after I left Microsoft, so I don't know. Is it open source? Took a few tries before. Oh yeah, of course. Yes, yes. AZD is the same thing. You need to have Docker installed because it packaged locally and stuff like that. So that's why it's cool if you're doing it like from a GitHub repo, more a CI/CD, then you know it works from there. So you don't need Docker. But yeah, I was trying for I think it was the URL shortener. The new way to deploy it, I was using AZD, and one of the user was having a lot of trouble, and I had to update the documentation a lot to make it work because I have all those tools, so I didn't realize that, yeah, if you don't have all those tools, it doesn't work. Okay, so look like this is working. So if I go, let's go Frankie's notes. And I published the video and the blog post about the MCP server that we worked on, the check-in doc stuff this week. So if I do this, cool. So, okay, so that worked. And now if we go there, I think I don't have the key set up. Yeah. Well, at least error messages are working. That's cool. AZDC. That's the, you know, a cool rock band. I tried using the Azure extension in VS Code and did right-click deploy web app. Yeah, but is it supposed to be working? I'm not sure. The VS Code extension, I think it's trying to deploy into app service. It's possible to deploy containers to app service, even like multiple containers inside a single app service with compose file, Docker compose file. But I don't think the extension is doing it. It could be, I don't know. I still have so much to try, and I'm like at my user group next week. I'm covering part of like all the announcement done in .NET Conf, and that's a lot of stuff. Okay, I need to set the key because right now we don't have the key. So you know what it means, right, chat? It means, can I move this like that? It's still very in my, can I move my screen then? I have a flare in my screen just here, so I'm having trouble like reading the file and stuff. Like those are hard to read for me. So I need to go in app hosts and app settings. I need to create a development version. Oh, yeah. I don't know why we cannot do that yet. In fact, I forgot why. What? Oh yeah, all those, they... Yeah, you shouldn't be existing. Bye-bye. It's all here now. So app host here, let's copy paste. And now let's rename it. And it's dot develop. Huh? Yep. So now I need to go secret. Can wait. Let's go secret. Why take a chance? Why? The mechneck conf. Were you speaker? Okay. There was a lot of content. Now, like, I'm pretty happy for, and I think the audience, audience, the audience was good. But what I want to make the number of, like, I think there was a lot of viewers. I think it was very attended. Oh wow, my English is all over the places today. You understand what I mean, right? Can you help me, chat? What I'm trying to say in English? How it's supposed to be looking? It was very attended. Is it the way you say that? I mean, there was a lot of people watching, but I was just trying to say it with less words. Words. Oh, you try to. Well, that computer say nope. Okay. Do you know why? Maybe you need AZ, Azure CLI, and maybe it doesn't work with AZD. Or like you need the. I know. I was trying to do some function tool. We might also do that on Friday. Check one of the project, and. And I need func, the CLI func. So what is that? It's not good. Okay. All the digital friends are lucky today, but no real friends. Can you still see my background behind my screen here? I don't think we can, right? Oh, now we can. We could, now we can't. Ah. Interesting. Okay, so let's F5 it. Mr. Surly Dev, how are you? Time to get started. Okay. Yes, boss. Why can you not go? Wow, that's better. We can close this, we can close that. I'm good, thank you. Have 3 job interview line up. Whoa. That's good. Happy for you, my man. Well, I didn't even look. I know some stuff needs to be done, but I forgot what it was. I think we need to pipe it back to the UI. The main logic is not implemented. Okay. It is now implemented. The format is set. We need to deserialize the response into those classes and return it to the UI. Okay. I thought it was done. Oh yeah, I thought I was like super tired. I think that's what happened. I was super tired and was like, oh, should I just ask Copilot to do that since it's just kind of like piping stuff? And I was like, nope, I don't want Copilot involved in that project, even though using AI all over the place of like that coding, like no. There's other project where like I have more. Yeah, okay. So it's done, but we won't see anything. Okay, so now we need to deserialize. Oh, I don't want to do that. It's like, okay. So we are in AI service. Also, one thing I need to do is all those classes that work with Reka, I think I will do like a library. So like, because now like I feel like I'm creating those classes all the time. So I will create library, a NuGet package, so you could just call it. Would that be like a Reka SDK? But it's not an SDK, it's just, well, SDK is just like, what does SDK mean? It's something developer kit. What's the S? System? You're the one in the corner. Software. Yeah, so I guess I could do like a Reka SDK for .NET and have all those classes. So then like a NuGet package, so when you want to interact with it, you just add that package and you have all the classes, right? Oh, we can work on that on Friday. That would be like a, that sounds like a simple project, isn't it? I was about to do what? Oh yeah, I was about to do a drop. Oh man, I'm tired. You know when you cannot remember that you want to drop and that you already dropped, so yeah, there's that. Okay. So we are in the research service here. And why I'm so tired? I don't know. I have a lot of issues. Like I wanted to stream today. That's why I want to create that habit. So I was like, let's do it. But first I was like, nah, I'm too tired. But I said, no. We'll do a stream. We'll just chill. Even if there's nobody, and all of you showed up, I'm very happy. Thank you for being here. Okay, so this is a function we call suggestions. Woo-hoo-hoo. Did you see that? Undefined process did like a spin. I didn't know that was possible. That was a thing. That's cool. Am I lagging? A little bit, right? No. Yeah, so we're doing that. Let's close this. Have more real estate for code. We're doing that. Then we get the response. and we are getting this. I think we're getting something like this. So we want the choice, I think. Maybe we should, you know what, one thing we could do is ask AI to create a little function, though I have created that already in the past. Maybe I could just copy paste it. Let's do that. Let's save some time. Let's go here. Let's go there. And if I go in the .NET samples, let's open that in VS Code online. Ooh, okay. What did you clip? Why did you clip it? Because of the flip? Yeah. Cool, thanks. I need to use more there's so much stuff I need to learn. Okay, we want the event finder, I think in the service, Reka research service, I have a function to save, I'm pretty sure. Save to file. So let's bring that here. So we could save. Yeah. So So if we do that, at least we'll have what it is, because the problem is, I think here, yeah, I was expecting a string, and here I have post suggestions, but I think in the UI, is it when if we go in, oh, it's in share, right? If I go in suggestion list, we are using another class. Yeah, post L. Not even sure what it is. Post L. Did we create that as a placeholder? What's post L? Oh, post L, it's here. Oh no, so those are the real, yeah, post long, I think. So those are the real one. But so I don't want that. Like it's suggestions. So I need to, oh yeah, so why did I put, no, okay, so that's, I shouldn't be using that. They are not post yet. They are just suggestions. So we'll have to change this here also. Okay. Do I want to do that now? I think it's a good idea to do it now. So post hell, that's not what we want to use. We want to use post suggestions, but that's from AI service. It shouldn't be here. Those two classes, they should be into domain. Yeah, let's, and I guess I cannot move them. Can I move them? No. Do you know? Does someone know why we can still not move file in here? So this and this, I want to move you into this here. Cool. Oh no, I thought it was GT. Boonks? Oh, GT, you bumped me. You took lesson from, and now you're pushing me. You took lesson from Surly Dev last week. Well, you will get there. You'll always get there. You bumped me. I think we bump in each other. So we want this, we want this, we want this, we want this. Oh yeah, we'll have to change here because they are not in note, they are in bookmark domain. It make more sense anyway to be in the domain because it's not related to the AI service. Well, it is, but no. You should be able to push a pile over to whatever. Oh, this way. Okay, so let's just try to, on this keyboard, how do I do it again? It's not like that? Nope. It's like this, like that. Okay. Let's do a .NET build. I guess it will help with this. Oh, yeah, okay, cool. So now I have the error more. Yay! Who landed? The unoriginal jerk. So I think here we have a ID. Do we have a ID? No, but we should create one. And Surly Dev landed. Excellent. Yeah, so I think, yeah, if we are we saving that? I think that was the thing, right? But not right now. In the future, we want to save that. So, oh my God, how do we identify those things? Because they don't have an idea. ID. Right? Like they have a title or by the URL maybe. That should be unique. Why don't I see the URL? Because I need to scroll. Okay, so let's. It's really bad. It's so bad. Let's make the URL the key for now, and I think, in that process, when we deserialize, we'll create like a GUID or something like that. What's that icon? Like a trophy, kind of? Like, or a candy? I don't know. We have a date, but it's called publication date. Fancy. Okay. Okay, cool. Okay. So I think now what we do is we run it to have our file, and from there we'll make sure we deserialize correctly. Yeah. Let's do that. Oh no. I hate, why don't you use color? One error. Where is that error? Post suggestion does not confirm a publication date. I thought I fixed that. Oh. Oh yeah, and the sort. Yeah, it's publication date. Yes. More like that. Okay, so now it should work. So let's go here and there, and we'll just like paste this because I touched the chat at the bottom and I'm using a browser, so okay, let's do that. Let's do .NET. Search. So hopefully it generate our file. I should have done a breakpoint. Oops. Oh, I have a timer. Oh man. Why do you have 30 seconds? You shouldn't have 30 seconds. Did we not set it with a longer one? Oh, did so many projects that, yeah, oh, let's expand that. Let's go from minute and let's add 5. Hopefully it's never 5 minutes. That was close. Copper bird. That was not the real. Well, he is a real friend, but that's not the real one. No, Copper birdie is the real one. Copper bird is just a digital friend. That's good. Oops. I don't get it. So client is set here. Oh, it is past there. Let's go in hop host, I guess. Maybe I didn't set it correctly. An app host. Is it app? No, it's not an app host. It's in program here. Oh, it's. Well, at 300, it should still work. $300 it is. So why it's not? That's weird. So when I receive it here, it should already have. Maybe I can put like a. Let's put a breakpoint just before, so we could look at the timeout. His beard is the avatar. I know the guy. I know we win Nintendo Switch because he used my referral for Get Kraken and he win a Nintendo Switch. Okay, so let's try again. So now we have a breakpoint here. So let's see if before we assign it, like what's the value of timeout. not calling that function? Oh man. Oh Frank, stupidos. This is generate summary. That's not where I want to go. That's why I'm not going. Yeah. Oh, maybe did I change it here? 5 minutes. Maybe we'll be okay. But like we won't see the output anyway. Let's stop it. Oh yeah. Like he has like a big beard, and he's do you say red? What's the real word for red? Ginger? Yeah. On his avatar, you could see his big beard. Summary services, that's not where we want to go. Oh, man. So, let's take this. And now let's go in the research service. Let's paste this. Oh, man. And summary service. Now I will just reset it, I think. If I go summary service, let's just reset it like we never touched that. And this shouldn't be tracked. Why it is? Is it because of my capital D? I thought like all the ASP.NET let's go here. Let's see the change. I want you to ignore it and put it into the cool. Excellent. Okay, so summary service, let's close that. So now we are in the research service. Cool. So I shouldn't have to do this, but let's see how it is. So let's go from minutes. And not 300, but let's say 5. And now when we get our response here, let's go do a wait of perfect. Yeah, let's do this and we'll save that here. Let's put a breakpoint. I said I want a breakpoint here. So that should make more sense. Oh man. I couldn't believe I was watching like in the wrong function. That's how you know it's live. Aha! Okay, so the timeout is 5 minutes, 300 seconds. So it should have been okay. I don't know why it's stopping. Were you there at the .NET Live this week, Monday? Did you see a Code Rush? Presenting your stuff. I was cool. Magnet in the corner. Oh, maybe I will then. Oh, it's looking good. Yes. 43, it's not a bad score. Grover's Arius with 96. Yeah, 43. Oh yeah? That's cool. On .NET Live, right? When he was with me and David? Or when he did present at .NET Conf? Is it still running? I think it crashed. Yeah, I think we'll have to do like a catch-all here because I think we just time out. I'm not sure why we did a timeout. I mean, we shouldn't be timing out. Okay, so let's go here. And I want to save also the request before we're sending it. So the request is here, so just here. Let's do, what's that character? Okay. Let's go and do a await. Can you generate everything? Yes. Yeah, I think that's good. So if it's this, I could let's do this. I really want to see the oh wait, what? Okay. Whoop. Okay, so we have this, and I think what we'll do is we'll do this. But if I do that, response is created here, so I'll have to do all of that. Yeah. And let's go. I go out for burgers on Monday, everything. Wait, what? Yeah, well, it's available online. Let me just wait until. Come on, Copilot, you're so slow. Like I would have been done. Why are you touching to everything? No. Let's do it manually. Because I think there's a way, right? You could do now and do kind of like refactor, I think. Yeah. Surround with more. And I want a try catch. A try catch. Boom. Try. That was weird. Okay. let's close this. Let's make it a little bit tinier. We said we want this. So I could do right click, refactor, more, and we want a try catch. Yes. Cool. So now let's make it so it look part of the function. Voila. Great, great. And now here it will be whoa, whoa, whoa. Wow, you have the completion very sensitive tonight, my friend. Let's go can I just throw the same exception? No, huh? If I do throw, will it throw the same exception or I'm losing the context? Well, I'm confused with that. Have you tried Gemini 3 Pro? No. Let's throw a new exception. Now I think I have the context. So let's put a breakpoint here, or maybe here. Yeah, so I'm trying to put it in a so maybe I want to go here and yeah, so before deserializing it, I was saving it. Let's do the same. I think that could be one of my... So let's move this up a little. So here, right? I was doing the good thing, but I was trying to deserialize it. So if it failed, I was missing it. Okay, so let's put a breakpoint here too. Now we don't need a break. Okay, removed it. Let's put a breakpoint just before we send it. Let's put a lot of breakpoints. Throw should keep the same context as the stack thread. So if I just put throw, I will like, yeah, but I want to kind of like know where it was. It's fine. Wow. It's come on. Oh, I'm guessing the come on was about the drop game. Let's close this. Let's reopen a new window. Let's go here. Let's try .NET. Okay, so now we have a request. So let's do this. So we should have files saved, right? We pass here. Who landed? The real Shardybot. And MechNet is maybe going to land. Yes, MechNet 84. 84 MechNet. That's a good score. You're taking the lead in the humans. Yeah, I think. Yeah. Whoops. So what's the exception? Why it says I have a timeout of 30 seconds? Oh, I don't get it. I'm doing the same thing here. I mean, it's the same thing. I could have copy paste the code. I didn't. Maybe I should have. Like, it's the same idea. Although here, no, here, yeah, same thing. Client. And here I didn't even underscore HTTP. I don't even touch again. Maybe that's the thing. Maybe I shouldn't touch it. And here in program from 5 minutes. Maybe that's the problem. Like I touch again the code, maybe I shouldn't do it. Here. I'm overriding it, maybe. I shouldn't. Yay! Everybody's landing. Okay, let's put a breakpoint here before, and I want to examine this. So let's put it to I thought it was an easy way to put it into watch or something like that. I don't think I need it anyway. I will have it in the variables, but okay, so I don't get it. So in program here we had 5 minutes and it's the HTTP client research. Like this is like we did definitely. This could be longer. we should have the query, right? Where the file? Hey, you're supposed to have saved the file, right? Folder path, data. You see a folder? Maybe I need to check here. Data. Cool. Format this for me, please, so I could read it. Yeah, okay, so it looks... What's this character? Is it quote? Why are you putting this? Let's... Why? Yeah, let's not put single quote there. Okay. Okay, well, it looked clean. Let's run again. Maybe I should do like a clear. I don't get it. Let's do AI. So now request. If we go into the oh no, that's the client, not the request. So I'm not looking the good thing. So here, if I look instead, this client, timeout, 5 minutes. Okay, go. Go, my little friend, fly. So sending the HTTP. All right. Yeah, the post. Yeah. And again. Let's read a little bit more what's happening here. Execution source. Is it because of the HTTPS? Could it be that? Maybe if I put the HTTP instead? Let's try that. Yeah, let's stop. Let's try that. I have something that tells me it's a dumb thing. No, I'm not using semantic kernel. Well, if I wouldn't be using semantic kernel. If I was about to use like a framework, I would use agent framework. But I didn't check though with the last release at .NET Conf if the web search was supported. because when we start working on that project, the web search wasn't yet supported. Close all the tab. So I need to validate, but just doing HTTP call works, so. That's the thing, because even OpenAI, even if like, because the API we're calling, it's the same format as OpenAI, even OpenAI in their format, their SDK, they are not supporting the web research. Same error. I'm doing something wrong. And I'm getting tired, so I'm not sure I will fix it today. Maybe I should just rest and come back and it will jump into my face. It's Polly that is blocking me? Hey, Carlos! Hello, hello. I don't understand. It should be working, so maybe. Oh, see? Oh no, that's just a warning. So, but maybe that's the problem. Maybe that's part of the problem. But why would it work? With my other projects? I think I'm too tired for it today. Sorry, chat. Yeah, I think, yeah, that's not. So we definitely want to stage this. This. Let's keep. Yeah, that feels good. Yeah, we want this. We don't want those. Program. Yeah, let's keep this. Yep. Okay. So we still made some progress today on it, honestly. Push was done successfully, and I guess I notification about, hey, you got something that got pushed with a new token. Cool. Okay, Any drop before we wrap up? Last chance. Yeah, I need to put exclamation point. Frank, you should know better. Or maybe I will then know. It was a good ride. Sorry, Dev. No. Oh, I should go in the corner. It's better. So today, the stream, we tried to work on NoteBookmark. And we did some progress, but there's some weird stuff happening. And the score, we have Surly Dev with 22, we have me with 43, and we have McNet with 84, and GT that didn't land. Oh my god, oh my god. Cool. Excellent. So that was our stream for today. It was a short stream. Thank you all for being with me tonight. Well, at least it was my tonight. I guess it's yours too. And even like deep night, late night for others like Sorry Dev. I will see you on Friday. Friday, I think we can work on the Reka SDK. I think that will be cool. And if I can figure what was wrong, let's try to get back to NoteBookmark. I know also there's like a Azure function that need to project that need to be updated. The PM on at Microsoft reach out, and we're working on that to make it work. It's a template for AZD, so I think it will be good. So does the stream summary? Yeah, the stream summary like display everybody, but I just mentioned the humans that I know. Like in fact, it's easy. Like every name that is not a bot that I know, I can look at that. It's kind of love it. Okay, guys. With that, see you on Friday. Have a good evening, rest of the day, rest, and let's have some fun in 2 days. See you Friday. Bye bye.